what I want to emphasize here is just give you some of the things that if I were in a position where I'm trying to understand what's going on with AI and how to best implement it, just some questions that I would be asking of folks like Talkdesk, of other vendors out there. One thing that's we're already seeing is in the rush for every single technology company to suddenly become an AI company. Like I said, Talkdesk has been doing this since 2017. You really want to check the bona fides there, and you really want to understand what the different solution or different problems each AI solution you're evaluating is actually going after. And you want to look for opportunities to platformize as much as possible. We're already starting to see some folks showing slides and roadmaps that look very similar to some stories that we've seen and told a long time in healthcare IT, which is kind of building these Frankenstein AI strategies of lots of different point solutions, of finding an AI agent for, maybe this specific type of conversation or this very specific type of workflow in this specialty or this department, or even in different facilities or different parts of the organization. And for IT leaders, they know how that story ends. It ends in consolidation and app rationalization and platformization. You really want to put platforms to the test to make sure that they can actually handle the different use cases, like the list that I showed you a couple slides ago. But you also want to make sure that you're not going down this road of building lots of different point solutions that may not even be natively built. You might be getting wrappers of different AI pieces that are being white labeled there. So that's one piece of on the left. I would also really emphasize the need for healthcare specific expertise and healthcare tuned AI. That's something Talkdesk has. That's something that a lot of vendors have. I'm not going to pretend that we're unique in that. But attempting to shoehorn in CX technology that's not built specifically for healthcare, that's a big reason why Talkdesk has been doing what we've been doing in healthcare for 5 years, is that it's very important for us as the technology vendor to meet providers, payers, life sciences organizations where they are. And that usually means out of the box workflows, integrations with EHRs that are direct, not relying on additional middleware, and easier for you to start realizing value on day one rather than spending lots of time after implementation doing the optimization and builds to actually derive value. That's going to be something that hopefully you'll see very clearly from what Carson's got in terms of our out of the box solutions. And then last is, I don't need to belabor the point on enterprise ready. It's very, very important, especially in healthcare, for you to understand the guardrails, how prompts are built, what the opportunities are to monitor, optimize, and test AI implementations, both that are employee facing and then very certainly for patient facing applications.